If you're looking for the information, the order of the data you can find in here doesn't matter, and the VLOOKUP formula will always find just the first element, the first postcode in our case. But there are scenarios where you are looking up the information, like in our case the state value, and in some of the cases you won't have this postcode in the postcode list, or you won't have the product on the product list, you won't have the employee on the employee list. And in this case, usually some part of the report will not be complete. You might expect further problems, and in most of the cases we would like to correct that. One of the options to correct that is, of course, take the missing postcodes, copy them, and supply the table with the postcodes with this information. But if you don't want to correct the data, you can somehow secure your VLOOKUP formula with other formula that is called IFERROR. So if the VLOOKUP formula will find an error when looking up for the state, then I would like to have just no data text. And the VLOOKUP works normally, but when an error appears, then we have no data. One of the tricks you can find in Excel is to insert just a blank text instead of no data, and that is how you produce empty cells in Excel.